Well, in recognition of National Men's Health Month, the Gift of Life with medical partner Baptist Hospitals and other local healthcare providers will offer free cancer screenings to hundreds of medically underserved Southeast Texas men. Here with all the details are Norma and Kurt. So explain this, because I know it's kind of difficult to get guys to go to the doctor.
Yes, it is.
Yes,
and we
it
have
is.
one of them here right beside me. It always takes the women to kind of do the nudging.
The prodding, if you will.
Exactly. And but we've had phenomenal success in the men or the women getting the husbands and friends. Our screenings, well, really during June, it's our Men's Health Month, and we're trying to get all men to be a man and get checked. So it's about just overall community awareness. And then again, importantly, for men to take advantage of our free screenings that we've offered, that we'll be offering starting next Saturday for the consecutive Saturdays in Beaumont, Orange, and Port Arthur.
Right.
And we've expanded our panel of screenings. We recognize the fact that so many of the men in our population that are medically underserved have a host of other chronic diseases. So we've expanded that test to include cholesterol, glucose, HIV if they want. Yes, hepatitis C. We're looking at a broad span of diseases and trying to preemptively get them on a journey of good health.
Now, Kurt, you're a prostate cancer survivor. So how did you get to the doctor? Was it somebody prodding you along, or did you go free-willing?
I went free-willing.
Ah, I think you're the first guy to ever say
I went
this.
to a doc-in-the-box test at a grocery store where they did a blood work, and it came back with a high PSA.
Okay.
And with obviously recommended go to the doctor.
Right.
I finally went to the doctor, went through the biopsy stages and stuff like that, and after about 18 months of testing, they finally determined I had cancer.
18 months.
Yes, I had 6 biopsies.
Wow.
So it took a long time to find it.
Yeah, it did.
And I had surgery, and that was back in 2001. So I've been hopefully cancer-free since then.
But prevention is the key, because prostate cancer, once you catch it, and if you catch it early enough,
it's key. It is. It's a very preventable disease, and that's what's important, is to see your doctor. And we've also incorporated that into our screenings, and Kirk's there and he helps us all the time, is that as they'll come to our screenings, and we have physicians that are on site to answer questions and to guide them through so that they understand what the scores mean. And also, you don't always necessarily act on something depending on a combination of scores from your Gleason score to your PSA to determine whether you'll just do a surveillance and kind of a watchful wait on these gentlemen. But our case managers, our navigators are there. We follow up and help guide the men with those that are their loved ones and their caregivers. And but we have had in the last 18 months, we've diagnosed 4 men with prostate cancer. And the Gift of Life, as you know, Kelly, we think through the generosity of the community, we're able to pay for the screenings, the diagnostic workup, and all of the cancer treatment, which is a blessing for us. And certainly for the men that we treat, they do say, thank you for saving our lives. So the community support is vital to our existence.
So Gift of Life, how can folks get in touch with you if they want to take advantage of these free tests?
Just call us, really, is the best way. They can go online, but if they'll call our office at 833-3663, we have staff that is there, and we'll actually be working extended hours. And they can come by our office if they like, and we'll be happy to take the very brief kind of eligibility application. And we're located on 2390 Dowling Road.
Thanks, Norma. Quick piece of advice for men as far as getting to the doctor?
Get checked.
Easy enough.
From the expert.
Thank you both so much. We appreciate it.